I recently asked ChatGPT what trading tips he could give me for the pocket option platform. He gave me this. Let's take a closer look.
How to use social trading. The social trading feature allows you to monitor the progress of other traders, view the rankings of the most successful ones, and copy their trades. In this section, you can see how much profit other users make per trade on the trading platform. The ranking shows the most profitable trades and updates every minute. In the drop-down menu, you can see the list of top-ranked traders in the last 24 hours, the top 100 best traders, or the most profitable trades. How to start copying the trades of successful traders? Select a trader in the social trading section and click Copy in the pop-up window. You can adjust the following parameters in the Copy Settings window. The Copy in Proportion setting allows you to customize the percentage ratio between the amount of the copied trade and the original one. The Stop Balance setting allows you to set the balance amount at which copying will be stopped. Here you can set the minimum amount for any copied trade. The next setting allows you to set the maximum amount for any copied trade. Click Confirm to save the settings. The complete list of traders you are currently copying or have copied before is available in the List of Copied Traders section. If you wish to stop copying a trader, open the list of copied traders, choose a trader, and click Stop Copying. In this section, you can see everyone who is copying you and also prohibit specific traders from doing so. To follow a trader, simply select their profile and click Watch. The list of watched traders contains a list of traders whose success you are monitoring without copying trades. Customize social trading in a way that works for you. Enable the Display Social Trades function to see other users' trades on the chart. Enable the Watch Copied Trader function so they are automatically added to your watch list. Use the Hide My Profile feature if you do not want other traders to be able to copy your trades. The Show Only Watch Traders function allows you to show only the traders whose trades you are monitoring on the chart. How to use a Telegram bot. To activate a Telegram bot, open the market, go to the Bot tab, and click Activate. The bot will automatically open either in your browser or in the app on your device. Set the necessary parameters using the Settings command. Activate the bot. Receive signals and open trades instantly using the bot. Make a deposit through our bot. Turn it on and off at your convenience. How to use the Tournaments section. Tournaments on Pocket Option are held among a closed group of users trading on the same asset with the same starting balance. The traders with the highest profit win. Depending on the tournament settings, there are usually 3 winners who receive a cash prize. Trading is conducted using a virtual balance, so tournament participants do not spend real account funds on trades. The Tournaments section consists of 2 tabs. The All Tournaments tab lists all tournaments available on the platform. The Statistics tab provides information about your participation in tournaments. How to participate in a tournament. Tournaments can be paid or free. The cost of participation in paid tournaments starts at $1. The amount for participation is deducted from the real account. Anyone can participate in free tournaments. Participation in any tournament is available only after account verification. Choose a tournament, read its rules, and confirm your participation. You can always rebuy another 100 units of tournament balance. If the tournament is paid, the rebuy amount will be the same as the fee for participation in the tournament. In free tournaments, the rebuy option is only available when your tournament account runs out of funds. To claim your winnings, select the winning tournament in the history and click Claim the Prize. How to use AI trading. Start earning with artificial intelligence. Use the AI trading option located between the buy and sell buttons on the trading panel. All you need to do is select the trade amount, and the AI will analyze the market and choose the optimal direction for your trade. The AI uses advanced algorithms that consider multiple factors, continuously monitoring the market, allowing for instant reactions to changes. It analyzes market signals, trading strategies, technical analysis, the experience of other traders, and over 100 additional indicators. How to collect and use gems. You can get gems for trading achievements on Pocket Option. Gems can be purchased in the market section with funds from your balance. You can also mine gems by copying trades from other traders. To do this, buy and activate the mining license and participate in social trading. Learn more about social trading in this video. Get a gem shard for each copied trade. The color of the received shard depends on the type of the mining license. Collect 1,000 shards and combine them into a whole gem. Exchange gems in the market for various trading benefits. How to use promo codes. Promo codes allow you to activate bonuses when you make a deposit, adding extra funds to your account. You can purchase available promo codes for deposit bonuses in the market. Simply select the desired bonus, click Purchase, and then confirm your purchase. Please note, the bonus can only be applied to a deposit made after the promo code has been purchased. Before buying a promo code, make sure to read the terms and conditions of its use and the requirements for execution. You can check the status of your purchased promo code and monitor its progress on the Finance New Promo Codes page. Click Check to view the terms and conditions of the promo code. Activate the purchase promo code here or in the Purchases section. To credit the bonus funds to your account, make a deposit after activating the promo code. Track your progress on the Finance Promo Codes page. How to use the risk-free bonus. The risk-free bonus allows you to cancel a losing trade, returning the investment amount to your balance. You can purchase a risk-free trade in the market. How to activate the risk-free bonus. You can activate the purchased bonus on the market page in the Purchases section. To cancel a losing trade, go to the Trading History section and click Cancel next to the selected order. The bonus is valid for only one trade. How to use boosters. Boosters are used to get extra experience points for each trade. Experience points help you level up your account and allow you to buy more valuable items in the market. Buy boosters for gems or with balance funds on the market page in the Boosters section. Watch another video in which we explain in detail how the market works. Activate a booster in the Purchases section on the market page. How to use the Cashback feature. Get up to 10% of your losses back in your trading account. To do so, purchase Cashback for collected gems on the market page in the Cashback section. Choose the Cashback percentage based on the gems you have. Increase the percentage up to a maximum of 10% if desired. Confirm the purchase and activate the Cashback feature. Once activated, the cashback will be automatically added to your balance on the first day of each month and will be credited if total losses exceed profits for the previous month or starting from the day of activation of the selected cashback. The cashback is valid for 1 year from the activation date. How to use Prolongators. Prolongators are used to extend the duration of boosters and are available from level 5 of your account. Learn more about boosters in this video. Extend the time to gain additional experience points when placing trade orders. Learn more about experience points in this video. You can purchase Prolongators for gems or your balance funds on the market page under Prolongators. Activate Prolongators in the Purchases section on the market page. Trade and earn with Pocket Option.